Outlook delivery options. Often when we're using Outlook, I think we underestimate the delivery options. We tend to just create an email and just send it off. But did you know that you can go to your email and go to options, and on the far right there you can click on delay delivery or direct replies to. Any of those will open up the dialog box for you and give you a whole bunch of other options. So sometimes what happens is we create the email, but we're not going to be the recipients of the reply. So maybe it's an order, it's a booking, and we want to direct the replies off to customer service. So we can have the reply sent to somebody else. Another option is do not deliver before a certain date and time. Maybe we've been working all night and we don't want to annoy other people when we send our emails, so we might delay that. Another reason might be somebody is away and you don't want your email to end up at the bottom of their pile, so you take a look at the date that they're going to be coming back and you give them another day, and then you send set your delivery date for that date. That way you're catching them at a time where they're not so busy, not so rushed, and they'll be able to concentrate and focus on whatever your email is about. Another one is having your email expire after a certain date and time. So a scenario for that one could be we have a project, a program that's happening on a certain date, or we're recruiting and we don't want anybody applying for a position after the cutoff date. So if we leave it there in their email, they'll try and sneak it in. Whereas when we say expires after, if they have not opened it up at all, not even previewed it, then that will drop off in their system. Hope that's been helpful to you. We also do face-to-face and virtual trainings in Microsoft Office in Sydney, Australia.